It is circumstances, difficulties, which show what men are. Therefore, when a difficulty falls upon you, remember that God, like a trainer of wrestlers, has matched you with a rough young man. For what purpose, you may say? Why, that you may become an Olympic conqueror. But it is not accomplished without sweat. In my opinion, no man has had a more profitable difficulty than you have had, if you choose to make use of it as an athlete would deal with a young antagonist. We are now sending a scout to Rome, but no man sends a cowardly scout, who, if he only hears a noise and sees a shadow anywhere, comes running back in terror and reports that the enemy is close at hand. So now, if you should come and tell us, "Fearful is the state of affairs at Rome, terrible is death, terrible is exile, terrible is calumny, terrible is poverty. Fly, my friends, the enemy is near," we shall answer, "Begone, prophesy for yourself. We have committed only one fault, that we send such a scout." Diogenes, who was sent as a scout before you, made a different report to us. He says that death is no evil, for neither is it base. He says that fame, reputation, is the noise of madmen. And what has this spy said about pain, about pleasure, about poverty? He says that to be naked is better than any purple robe, and to sleep on the bare ground is the softest bed. And he gives us as a proof of each thing that he affirms his own courage, his tranquillity, his freedom, and the healthy appearance and compactness of his body. There is no enemy near, he says. All is peace. How so, Diogenes? See, he replies, if I am struck, if I have been wounded, if I have fled from any man. This is what a scout ought to be. But you come to us and tell us one thing after another. Will you not go back, and you will see clearer when you have laid aside fear?